syempre, bubuksan na natin itong product na ito, itong bote. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, tumutulo na siya. Naka one shot lang tayo. And ang gagawin na lang po natin is until maubos siya for 30 minutes. Hi everybody! In this video, I'm going to perform a demonstration on Cinderella Ultimate Drip. So, ibig sabihin, magdi-drip po tayo ngayon using this product. We will going to infuse this whole fluids in my body. Kaya, guys, samahan nyo ako na mag-drip. We're going to have at least a single dose of glutathione collagen vitamin C na drip. So, we have here, ayan, color yellow. 1 dose of Gluta drip. So, speaking of Cinderella, parang ganyan siya kapag maraming dose, but this is the single dose. And yes, if you're interested, ang isang dose po na ganito is 850 pesos, may 900 pesos, may 1 to 1,000 pesos. So, ang baseline price ko na lang na ilalagay ko dito is 900 pesos. Ayan, 900 pesos po ang isang ganito. And I'm going to link in below yung Shopee or Lazada where you can find this particular drip. And I am very impressed kasi gabi ako nag-order, siguro mga 9 PM, kinabukasan meron na agad. So I'm so shocked na na-deliver siya in just 1 day. So yun yung seller, reliable seller, legit seller po yan. Wala pong fake na ganito kasi syempre kapag fake, syempre, hindi na ako mabubuhay pag fake, o diba? Kaya sa mga paranoid about the fake products, this is not a fake product, guys. So, I'm going to perform this to myself. And yes, sa ibang clips po natin, ilalahad yung pagbukas and then yung mga paraphernalias. Ayan. So, sa next clip, we are now going to have a close look sa mga ingredients niya and tignan natin kung ano yung pwede makita natin dito sa bottle na ito. Here in this second part of the video is the closer look. Ito yung isang bote. So, the bottle is really heavy and big. Kaya ipapatong natin dito sa paa ko para hindi ako mahirapan. Ayan, Cinderella Ultimate Drip. And here, ayan yung sapatos ni Cinderella. Tapos, 500 ml. And, ayan po guys, 500 ml. Cinderella Ultimate Drip Solution for IV Infusion Nutrient Supplement. Ayan. And then, expiration date niya will be on April 2024. 500 ml siya. So, napakarami nito. And, mauubos mo siya in just 30 minutes. Ayan. So, what are the contents of this product? Each 500 ml contains glutathione, 1,000 milligrams, collagen, 1,000 milligrams, dextrose, 25 grams. Ayan, kasi dextrose yung, itong tubig. And then, thiamine, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6. So, B-complex vitamin siya. And then, meron din siyang ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and vitamin D. So, dosage and administration, 500 to 1,000 ml intravenously, and the intravenous infusion rate should not exceed 6 ml per minute. So, as prescribed by the physician. So, contraindication should not be used by patients known to have a hypersensitivity reaction of ayan, yung collagen. So, if you are allergic to iodine, maybe collagen is not for you. Ayan. So, kapag medyo hindi ka hiyang or allergic ka kapag kumakain ka, or if you're eating shellfish, ayan, and then afterwards you are having a hypersensitivity reaction, maybe collagen is not for you. Kasi, lalo na kapag marine collagen, ayan. So, store at room temperature not exceeding 230 degrees Celsius. Tapos, keep out of reach of children. Baka paglaruan nila or baka there will be a breakage of this bottle if children will mistook this bottle as a toy. So, ayan guys. The next clip will be all about glutathione drip. So, it is now demonstration time. Yes. It's demonstration time. So we're going to hook yung bottle dyan. And I'm going to hook this upside down. Ganyan siya. And I'm going to hook this over there. And it's now time to assemble the product. So I'm going to fix first yung camera here. And ayan. So we're going to open. Ayan, mag-open ako. Macro set. Ayan. Macro set kasi if you're going to purchase one bottle, isang set na siya, macro set, and then pwedeng butterfly or any IV cut for you to insert this macro set. O, diba? And then we have here cotton and yung tourniquet. And of course, alcohol. Syempre, bubuksan na natin itong product na ito, itong bote. So make sure you have a nail. Wait lang. Ayan. So, kukunin ko na lang itong or yung t-shirt mo kasi parang matigas siya. Ayun. Ayan, guys. And nabuksan ko na siya. Tapos, syempre, yung cotton with and then, para malinis. O, diba? And then, it's now time to assemble na siya. And we must have to close this one para hindi siya magli-leak. So, ayan. And then, ano na natin siya? Tutusok. We'll make a tusok-tusok. And of course, i-open natin siya. Yan. So, it's time to assemble. And then, i-open natin to. So, it's like that. Ayun. So, hanggang ma-reach niya yung yellow dito. Kung mapapansin nyo. Ayun. And then, until yung pinaka-end niya. Oops! Ayun. And, isasabit na po natin siya. Kaya, it's time to make sabit-sabit. Para ganito yung mangyayari. So, it's like that. And, ihuhook na natin siya sa taas. So, wait lang. Ayan, kung makikita nyo sa taas, medyo nakahook siya, ganyan. And, i-prepare talaga natin yung catheter to insert my own vein. Ayan siya, naka-prepare na. And, buksan natin itong IV butterfly. So, it's like that. And, alisin natin to. Tapos, alisin din natin ito. Ikabit na natin. Tapos, slowly i-open ulit natin para yung fluid. Ayun. Makikita nyo, oh, ayan. Oops. Ayan, ganyan na siya. Tapos, it's now time to place a tourniquet on my arm. So, this will be the vein na ita-target ko. Ayan. Tapos hindi ko ipapakita sa video na ini-insertan ko yung sarili ko. So, ganyan siya. I'm going to wrap the tourniquet. So, parang self-insertion yung gagawin ko. Tourniquet, and then, I'll make sure na lalabas yung vein. That's why, importante na ganito para makita natin ng husto yung vein. So, as you can see here, lumalabas yung vein, and ganito para lalabas siya. And I'm going to, ayan, tignan natin yung pinaka-vein here. So, syempre, i-wrap natin siya and mag-i-insert lang tayo ng konti. And I'm not going to show this on video. Basta mag-i-insert ako. And Ayan guys, yung needle. So, naka-insert na siya. And, tumutulo na siya guys. Iaakyat ko lang. Wait. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, tumutulo na siya. And, papakita natin dito sa baba na naka-in yung aking vein sa vein dito sa aking arms. So, naka one shot lang tayo, but syempre, kailangan one shot lang talaga because masakit kapag maraming attempts tapos hindi mo pa na-hit yung vein. So, buti na lang na-hit ko agad yung vein, and ang gagawin na lang po natin is to wait for until maubos siya for 30 minutes. Ayun guys. So, mas maganda kapag mas mataas yung bote because yung gravity, yung law of physics, kapag mas mataas yung bote, ayun, mas mabigat yung pull of gravity para mas mabilis maubos. So, mag-wait lang po tayo guys. And, by the way, what is the effect kapag nagpapadrip ka? Syempre, it will lessen yung mga acne outbreaks mo. Number 2 is to make your skin, yung mga uneven skin tones mo na magiging even slowly. Tapos, ma-rejuvenate ang buong body mo. It will have a cleansing effect. Madedetoxify ka, malilinisan yung liver mo, yung kidneys mo, yung mga katawan mo. Tapos, it improves yung memory function mo, yung mga logical reasoning mo mag-i-improve because initially, ang glutathione is an indication, parang na-prescribe ng mga doctors, I should say, na pampakontrol ng progress ng yan, yung parang forgetfulness. Ayan, kasi sa mga may Alzheimer's, ayun, makakalimutin sila. So, it helps to prevent or slow the progress of memory loss. So, yun yung isa sa mga effective, one of the most effective na effect ng glutathione, o diba? Most effective effect. So, anyway, ayan, mag-wait lang po tayo ng ilang minutes. Mukhang matagal pa siya maubos. So, ang masasabi ko lang is yung correct dosage nito is you can apply once a week. Once a week or twice a week kung gusto mo ng faster results. Tapos, if you're planning to have a double dose, pwede rin naman double dose twice a week. So, parang 4 na dosage yung gagamitin mo in just a week. So, pwedeng double dose, single dose, twice a week. Pwede rin namang thrice a week. Ganun yung ginagawa ng isang friend ko na talagang nag-improve yung kanyang skin tone. Ayun. And yes, after 1 month na thrice a week or twice a week, mag-shift ka ng once a week na duration. Once a week sa isang month, and then sa susunod na month, twice a month na lang. So, parang pang-maintenance na lang yung gagawin mo. So, ayan, as you can see here, ang importante is you should dispose properly, cleanse, linisan mo mabuti yung mga ginamit mo. Tapos, syempre, always perform aseptic technique. What do we mean by aseptic technique? Dapat malinis, ina-alcoholize mo lahat lagi para at least to prevent the spread of infection. And by the way, if you're having a glutadrip, mag-take care ng vitamin C because it helps to fasten yung absorption ng glutathione sa katawan mo. And kapag nag-take ka ng vitamin C, it helps prevent or lessen the risk of infection, getting risk of being infected with bacteria, virus, fungi. So, ayan guys, mamaya pa talaga siya mauubos. And if you have any question guys, just comment down below. Kung gusto nyo pa ng ibang products na i-review ko, yan, mag-comment down below kayo kung ano pa yung mga ibang products na gusto nyo i-review ko. So, that's it guys. Subscribe my 2 YouTube channels kasi marami pa akong i-vlog na products like this. Mga drip, mga gluta products, vitamin C, mga kung ano-ano pa. Ayun. So, don't forget to reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So, hanggang dito na lamang po guys. Thank you for watching and see you again sa mga ibang vlogs ko. Mwah!